With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So the question is, in a gamma decay process, the internal energy of nucleus of mass capital M decreases. A gamma photon of energy capital E and linear momentum E by C is emitted and the nucleus recoils. Find the decrease in internal energy. We know the mass of photon is zero, but linear momentum is E by C. Linear momentum equals E by C. So suppose when this photon emits from the nucleus, we know the nucleus will recoil with the velocity v. Let's find out the value of v. So initial momentum is 0, final momentum is m, that is mass of nucleus, into v, its recoil velocity, plus this is the mass linear momentum of the photon. Linear momentum of the photon is given to be E by C. So this is E by C. From here, V comes out to be minus E by C capital M. Okay. So this is the recoil velocity, and with the negative sign means it will go in the opposite sign, in the opposite direction to that of the photon. So this is the recoil velocity of the nucleus. Now, for the energy, let's say nucleus have some internal energy I, and now because of this recoil motion, it will have energy half m v square, plus there will be some energy due to the photon. Let's say that energy is E, because it is given that a gamma photon of energy E and linear momentum E by C is emitted. So let's say this energy is E. So this is the energy at the time of gamma decay process. Okay. So upon solving this, we will get I plus half m v square can be written as E square upon C square upon m square. So this m gets cancelled out, plus E. And now we need to find change in energy. So this is final energy and initial is I. So this minus I, which is the internal energy. So change in energy comes out to be E square by 2 C square m plus E. This is change in energy of the gamma particle. Okay. So this is decrease in internal energy. This is decrease in internal energy. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.